Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome back to plus two second year English set. Here is a pie chart. Look at the picture. This is the pie chart. Could understand? This is pie chart. The pie chart below. This is the pie chart. Could understand? Don't know 10%. No 30%. Indifferent 15%. Yes 45%. ଜାଣି ନାହାନ୍ତି 10% ଲୋକ ଜାଣି ନାହାନ୍ତି 30% ଲୋକ ସରି ହଁ ନୋ ନାଇଁ କଲେ 10% ୟେସ୍ କଲେ 45% ଆଉ ଉଦାସୀନ ହେଇକି ରହିଲେ 15%. So 45 30 75 25 100%. So the pie chart shows, what did I say? The pie chart shows, the pie chart below shows the result of an opinion poll. ଗୋଟେ ମତାମତ ନିଆଯାଇଥିଲା among 100 residents means निवासी of भुवनेश्वर on the issue of eviction उच्छेद जो लोक जा उठे दौना उच्छेद of slum हेले झुंपुड़ी घर dwellers निवासी from the road side रास्ता कड़रू झुंपुड़ी घर बासी मानक उच्छेद करने गोटे ओपिनियन निया राइट ए पैराग्राफ अनुच्छेद गोटे लेख इन अबाउट 70 वर्ड्स यूजिंग द इनफॉरमेशन इन दी चार्ट जहाँ इनफॉरमेशन दिखाई एज पर द इनफॉर राइट. सो नाउ लेट्स राइट ए सर्वे वाज ए सर्वेक्षण सर्वे मीन्स सर्वेक्षण ए सर्वे वाज कंडक्टर सर्वेक्षण कराइला एवं 100 रेसिडेंट्स ऑफ भुवनेश्वर टू फाइंड पीपल्स opinion on the issue of eviction of slum dwellers from the roadside. Slum dwellers कही slum means झुंपड़ी dwellers means निवासी. The result showed that 45% of the people said कहले जे that the slum dwellers must be evicted from the roadside, while 30% of people gave their opinion against the eviction. 15% remained indifferent to the idea of eviction. The rest 3%. How many percent? This is not 15%, this is 12%. Here, how many percent? 43, 10%. This is 3, not 3%, this is 10%. 10% had no opinion to offer. किसी तांगे देले नहीं. Could understand? Okay, done. Now let's meaning matching. You know a word in English, a word has different meanings. So here meanings are given. To be felt strongly or remembered for a long time. Number 2, happening or existing now. ଏବେ ହେଉଥିବ to give something to present to someone, to cause something to happen and gift. Sentence ଆର ଇଟ୍ସ ମିନିଂ ଦେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ଦିସ୍ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟର. ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟର it has a different meaning. The word present has a different meanings. Could understand? It first meaning to be felt strongly or remembered for a long time. ହେଲା ବହୁତ ଦିନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଅନୁଭୂତ ହେଉଥିବ. ହ୍ୟାପେନିଂ ଅର୍ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଘଟୁଛି. ଟୁ ଗିଭ୍ ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ଟୁ ସମୱାନ୍ ଜଣେ ଜଣକୁ ଦେବା. ଟୁ କାଜ୍ ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ଟୁ ହ୍ୟାପେନ୍ କିଛି ଘଟିବାର କାରଣ ହେବା. ଗିଫ୍ଟ ଉପହାର. ତ ଦେଖିବା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ. ୱାନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମାଇ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଗେଭ୍ ମି ଏ ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲ୍ ପେଣ୍ଟିଂ ଏଜ୍ ଏ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ. ହିୟର ମିନିଂ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍? ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ହିସାବରେ ଦେଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଗିଫ୍ଟ ହିସାବରେ ଦେଲା. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଏ ଇଜ୍ 5. Could understand?
A is 5.
A is 5. A is equal to, right?
Capital.
No, not necessary. A is equal to, just 1 minute, I am looking for is equal to. A5. Could understand? A5. Next, slippery floors B. This is B. Slippery floors in the work area present a hazard to the employees. So
Is equal to this.
B is equal to what?
B.
To be left. No, this is to cause something to happen. Separate force in the work area present a hazard to, so cause B is equal to which? Cause 4. B is equal to 4, right? B 4. Right?
Is equal to like this.
Not necessary. Okay. B. Thank you. I will use it. B. Next. The memory of your father's death is still present in your mind. Bartaman Visudachi. That is good. To be felt. 1.
C will be 1.
C is 1. C is 1. C 1. Okay. Next, he presented me a sal on my birthday. That means to give something someone. What?
D is equal to.
Huh.
D is equal to 3.
D is equal to 3. Yes. D is equal to 3. Right. Next, what is your present address? Bartaman address कौन? Next, which sentence?
D is equal to 2.
Who is equal to 2? No. Do you felt to give something to someone, to cause something a gift? What is equal to 2? 2 is equal to what? Happening or existing now? Yes. E is equal to, tell me.
E is equal to
2.
2.
Okay, done. Here is another. Write a report. Where is the cursor? Yes. Write a report in about 200 words on the Road Safety Week organized by NSS volunteers and NCC cadets of your college to be submitted to the principal. Observation of Road Safety Week. Bhadrak, 20th Jan. Actually, while doing all these things, I am referring to TBW. TBW test paper, I find it easy and also understanding. So, if you have any problem, better you consult with TBW test paper 2018. Okay. Now, let's come to the point. Bhadra 20th June 2017 Road Safety Week was observed on the Bhadrag Autonomous College campus by the volunteers of NSS and the NCC cadets on 19th July 2017 in the morning. They organized a procession, Shobha Jatra, संगठन करथिले through the town holding a placards. Placards माने प्रचार पत्र धरी जाइथिले. बुझि पाछो नै? Holding a placards, right? And posters. Poster माने प्राचीर पत्र. कांथरे मरा होची. And posters in their hands. प्रचार पत्र मते ही पारियो. They also distributed leaflets. प्रचार पत्र बांटिथिले to the drivers, riders and the pedestrians. पदचारी. Pedestrians means पदचारी. To make them aware of the rules. Aware सचेतन करियागु. Rules नियम of the road to be observed for a safe journey. They also requested the scooter वाला को and motorcyclist वाला को to use helmets while riding. A meeting was organized after lunch. The principal was in the chair and the SP Bhadrak was the chief guest. मुख्य अतिथि. The chief guest gave a vivid स्वच्छ माने स्वच्छ picture of the road accident of the year 2016 he advised the students to use what? Zebra crossing, obey the traffic signals, and not to use mobile phones while crossing the road. The principal expressed his pleasure, ତାଙ୍କର ଆନନ୍ଦ ଖୁସି ପ୍ରକାଶ କଲେ at the effort ଉଦ୍ୟମ that the volunteers ସ୍ୱେଚ୍ଛାସେବୀ ମାନେ and cadets had made to organize the road safety week. NCC Captain SSC Mishra thanked the chief guest, the principal of the cadets, the NSS volunteers, the staff members, and all who were present in the meeting. Dr. NP Das, NSS program officer. Next one is draft a report in it about 200 words for an English newspaper on campus indiscipline during the college election in your districts. We shall do it, but not now, tomorrow. Tomorrow morning we shall do it. Still, that is to end our today's class. We shall discuss the other things in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.